Good day everyone. I'm proud to introduce our project, Sidra Global 3D Product Animation, where we feature advertising innovation, 3D visualization, and digital marketing. Our mission for Sidra Global 3D Product Animation is to revolutionize product presentation by seamlessly blending creativity, cutting-edge technology, and compelling storytelling. Through photorealistic 3D visuals and captivating animations, we empower brands to forge deeper connections with their customers and driving both product understanding and consumer confidence. As for our vision, it is to be a leading provider of high-performance gaming products and technologies to transform the gaming world into a personal sanctuary where relaxation and coziness luxuriate. Sidra 3D Product Animation is a pioneering digital initiative set to transform how businesses showcase their products. So in this project, we deliver high-quality, photorealistic 3D animations providing immersive visuals experiences that meticulously highlight textures, usability, and intricate design details with lifelike precisions. Sidra 3D Product Animation is not merely another digital studio. We're a specialized product visualization partner committed to elevating your advertising impact. We offer unique values such as lifelike and detailed animations, tailored engagement, and Sharia compliance. During our preparation for this concept, we identified the common challenges in traditional marketing. First, traditional ads often fail to showcase intricate product details, leading to incomplete customer impressions and lack of true understanding. Second, static visuals lack the depth and engagement to fully capture customer attention, resulting in reduced interest and lower purchase confidence. And third, physical demos and prototypes incur significant costs and logistical complexities, which severely limits their scalability and overall market reach. So, to create a solution, Sidra 3D Product Animation aims to deliver photorealistic 3D animations and renders that brings product to life, highlighting every detail. We also aim to optimize digital ads, have more scalable services, and be Sharia-compliant content where we enable brands to adhere to Sharia compliance guidelines. Our project's targets customers include e-commerce brands, cosmetics and beauty, consumer electronics, furniture and home goods, automotive accessories, and halal-certified product brands. While our project aims to be used in creating dynamic social media ads, making impactful product launches, enhance e-commerce product pages, and having modern digital billboards. For our marketing strategy, we plan to showcase demo reels on Sidra Start and social media platforms to display our 3D animation capabilities and attract potential clients. We also plan to partner with halal brands, Sidra businesses, and creative agencies to build credibility and tap into established networks within our target market. And lastly, we plan to launch referral programs and affiliate partnerships to incentivize word-of-mouth marketing and drive widespread adoption. To conclude, Sidra Global 3D Product Animation stands at the intersection of innovation, quality, and global competitiveness. By joining and contributing, you become part of a world-class initiative shaping how products are experienced, trusted, and valued across international markets. Together, we set the standard, turning visions into impact and redefining the future of product presentation.